All right, now for part two, we're going to actually capture a console log. So the one thing we want to do is I'm using a PuTTY, the freeware console and terminal software. I'm going to open that up and I'm going to go over here to change it to serial. Now I need to know what port the orange serial cable was taken. It's going to come up as a COM port. In Windows 10, I'm looking at here, it works with Mac as well. In Windows 10, I'm looking at COM4. So you go into Device Manager on Windows. So I'm on COM4. So I'm going to go over here, serial, and I'm going to change this to COM4. Now, I'm not done yet. I need to capture the log of what's happening. So I'm going to go over here and go to logging, session logging, and I'm going to say printable output. And then I'm going to go to browse, and I'm going to change this name. I'm going to change it to, I'll just call it AP log. AP log. Right? I've got that done. I've got logging set. I've got my console set. Now I'm going to plug in the Ethernet port here in just a moment. I'm going to open this up. Let me pull this over this way and size this up. And I'm going to plug in the AP into power, and you'll start seeing this boot. And we'll be capturing this because we're logging the console session. So I'm going to plug the AP in, which I'm doing right now, and now it's booting. And you're going to let this finish the whole boot process. This is going to help TAC diagnose, hey, we know what's happening on the controller side. What is the AP side seeing? So not saying this is going to resolve the issue, but it's one more piece of the puzzle trying to put this together to figure out what's happening here with this discovery process. So we're going to watch the AP boot and let it keep rolling, and you'll wind up at a user prompt. And for sake of saving YouTube time, I'm just going to pause this and come back when the AP is done booting. Okay, we're back. I'm actually, you'll know the AP is done booting when you see that user prompt. So we've got this whole startup screen captured. Now there may be more information that you'll see. This particular AP is not set up doing a discovery, but this startup session is what we wanted to capture. So I'm going to finish my console session. Close session. Now I've got this log file here I just created, which I can open up. I'm just going to open this up with Notepad. Open with, where are we at here? I'll say open with, I'll just use Notepad. Okay, this shows you the actual startup script. So this is what TAC is asking for so that they can see what's happening with that AP startup. So hopefully this helps. If you have any other questions, let me know.